Vasbir, there are certain things in life which are more important than anything else. A commitment is very important. The Home Minister of India, Amit Shah, had called me up on Thursday and told me that the interlocutor will be appointed by the 27th. Personally, he had given me that commitment. Yesterday, there was no such an announcement. I have decided to take my own action, and I got a call by the NEDA convener Himanta Biswa Sarma. I also got a call from the Home Minister of India, and they have
No,
assured that
you got
this
the
is
call from NEDA convener Himanta Biswa Sharma and Mr. Amit Shah. When did
Amit
you get
Shah
this
as well.
call?
I got a call late last night, very late last night, and I got
Okay.
a call from the NEDA convener, and they've assured in their own language, in their own